Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Overdose 619. And also guys, make sure you join my FB group. It's called I forgot what it called. I think it's Yamaha R6 Scooter Club, something like that, but I will have the details later. And also guys, magsha-shoutout ako sa 10 first comment na kung gusto niyo i-shoutout ko ang inyong pangalan, make sure guys na ilagay niyo ang inyong lugar kung taga saan kayo para may shoutout ko kayo. And also I'm gonna do a random shoutout sa mga ibang magko-comment.